Welcome to Ayurveda Bhavan at Rishikesh for health, happiness and long life. Leave stress and strain behind for the unique and exclusive experience of Panchkarma enjoyed right at the banks of the sacred river Ganga.
Welcome to Ayurveda Bhavan at Rishikesh, and I want to tell you about a small history about Ayurveda Bhavan, how we opened it. So we opened it about 1 year ago. I had many friends who are coming from Europe, from all sides of the world, and they would ask me to give them some advice where to stay. So after advising them different places, we decided to open this place and to provide them really good and dignified facility here at the bank of Ganga and at the foothills of the Himalayas. This facility has 8 rooms, actually 10 rooms, but we have 2 suites, 2 junior suites, and all work here has been done with interior designer from Russia. This is my wife, Katarina. She did this internal design, all these beautiful colors and furniture and everything has been designed by her. And in this period of 1 year, we had more than 200 guests from all over the world. From Eastern Europe, from England, from America, from Europe, from India, and so on. What we are offering here is mainly Panchakarma. Panchakarma is a very important part of Ayurveda. Ayurveda being the very ancient science of healing. It is a part of Vedic literature, and it has a goal to enhance functioning of human physiology, to give rejuvenation, to remove the stress, and so on. Yeah, to give more energy, ability to work, and so on.
I am Katrina from Moscow. I have undergone Panchkarma treatment here in the Ayurveda Bhavan at Rishikesh. I liked and enjoyed all Panchkarma procedures. The staff at the center are excellent. I am thrilled with the result, and I must compliment the entire team here. I am feeling more energetic and rejuvenated, and I will recommend my friends to come here and experience Panchkarma.
have taken this treatment Abhyanga here. So this is very good. I am feeling very much relaxed and lightly, lively and more energetic. Before the treatment I was feeling little bit less energy, tired, stressful, and after treatment it feels like stressless, more lively, energetic. I have been different places for Panchkarma treatment in different part of the world, but here I found that this place is near the Ganga, pollution free area, highly hygienic, clean and noise free.
Here we have two very experienced Vaidyas. One Vaidya is Dr. Pandey. He is more than 40 years working in the field of Ayurveda. Another one is Dr. Srivastava. He is also about 25-30 years in the field of Ayurveda. They have treated thousands of people by these methods.
My function is here. First, to see the pulse of the guests and decide what is the constituency of the guests, what type of oil, what type of the Panchkarma therapy, and what type of the purification needs for the guest. I provide to take the Panchkarma therapy, and after that we are prescribing some herbal medicines, the Ayurveda medicines.
Panchakarma means 5 main procedures. 5 main procedures, but actually there are hundreds of procedures. There are hundreds of procedures, but there are 5 main procedures. All these procedures are with the purpose of detoxifying and cleaning, purifying our physiology. The ultimate goal of Ayurveda would not be only physical health, but full mental health and full well-being of the human. Yeah? So ultimately it should give experience of happiness and bliss. This is the purpose of Ayurveda. What we are applying here is mainly Ayurvedic massage. You have seen it. This is called Abhyanga. It is done with the oil. It is done by experienced technicians. At least 2 persons are involved in these procedures. Then there are treatments called like Shirodhara, Patrapotli, Svedana, Netratarpana, Shirobasti, Shiropichu, and so on and so on. So all these treatments are directed and with the purpose of purifying the physiology of the person, balancing so-called doshas. Doshas are very well known basic principles of functioning of our body, very well known in Ayurveda. These doshas are Vata, Pitta and Kapha. Vata is responsible for the movement, Pitta is responsible for all transformations in the body, and Kapha is responsible for the structure.
The clean and hygienic conditions maintained at Ayurveda Bhavan impress even the most hard-to-please guests, rating it at par with the standard of service sought the world over. The well-trained, loving, caring and hospitable staff will ensure that you will have the best of personalized service round the clock.
The guests are coming who are too much tired, who have sleeplessness, insomnia, and some simple and chronic disease like high blood pressure, diabetes. They are coming and relaxing. Swasthasya swasthya rakshanam aturasya vikara prasamanam cha. Means the persons who are healthy, they need to maintain their health, and aturasya vikara prasamanam means who are sick, to make them disease free. This is the goal of Ayurveda.
Personal attention is given to each guest's specific needs. Our guests report significant improvements in their health and an inner sense of well-being. It is a wonderful place to receive Panchkarma treatments. The staff caters to all of your needs. Ayurveda Bhavan has a peaceful, healthy and loving environment. I had the pleasure of undergoing a short session of Abhyanga treatment today. I am thrilled with the result and I must compliment the entire team here. They know their job very well, are very courteous and are doing an excellent job. I would like to come back again for another wonderful session.
apart from Panchakarma treatment, which is the main part of our program here, we are giving also courses on Ayurveda. There are several levels of these courses, of course for the beginners and for advanced courses for also medical personnel. We are giving these courses in cooperation with Ayurvedic College here in Rishikesh and Haridwar. Apart from these courses, we are giving courses on yoga. Also, there are several levels of these courses: introduction into yoga, preparation for yoga for the beginners, advanced course, therapeutic yoga course, which are special asana, special breathing positions according to the need, according to the doshas, according to physiology of every participant. One very important aspect which I would like to emphasize, what we are teaching here, is transcendental meditation. That is a technique of meditation which has been introduced by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi in 60s on the West. It is very old technique, mentioned in Bhagavad Gita, mentioned in Rig Veda, but it has been on systematic way, it has been introduced by Maharishi Mahesh Yogi on the West in 60s. Since that time, several millions of people started practicing this simple mental technique, and there are several hundreds of scientific researches about benefits of this technique on the level of the mind, on the health of the person, behavior, and even whole environment. I would invite all people, all active people working in big factories, working on responsible duties, to come here to experience Panchakarma, to experience deep rest, and to learn also transcendental meditation.
Panchakarma is an effective and powerful self-healing process. Our guests report significant improvements in their health and an inner sense of well-being. You too can experience these benefits. Contact the Ayurveda Bhavan at Rishikesh to get more information or to set your appointment soon.